Good morning everyone, and good evening everybody around the world. Thanks for joining us today. Today, we are excited to present the recently released online tool on Moldex 3D Material Hub Cloud. Little bit on the agenda. We will start with materials properties introduction, including why this property is important and how this material property affects the injection molding result. And then we will introduce how Material Hub's new tool can help users deal with material files, including generating files online and material data feeding tools, and demonstrate it with real data. Injection molding process can usually separate into several stages. One of the categories is to segment into 5 stages: classification, injection, packing, cooling, and ejection. During this process, plastic physical property of the plastic change continually with the process. For injection molding, there are 6 key properties in process condition: velocity, specific heat, specific volume, thermal conductivity, and mechanical property. We will narrow down this topic later. Starting with process condition and operation temperature, the most obvious property for injection molding include melt temperature, molding temperature, ejection temperature, and drying condition. For absorbent materials such as nylon or PVT, drying before the process is necessary, otherwise it will affect the product quality. This info usually offered by manufacturer and setting on injection machine. Each material on Material Hub contains recommended range of melt temperature and mold temperature. Different melt temperature and mold temperature have an influence on plastic flow behavior and continually affect the molding result. In addition, a melt temperature higher than the recommended range may also cause thermal cracking and completely change the material property. Next, we come to the velocity. We usually use 2 dimensions, temperature and shear rate, to describe the velocity change. As the velocity versus temperature curve shows, velocity change by temperature may be up to several orders. At high temperature, the velocity of the plastic will decrease, and as it cools, the velocity will continually to increase again.